And we have an interesting Dux Camper Travel 235 Wohnkabine. Yes, this is meant for your pickup. Let's get inside and check the actual looks of that. Pretty interesting. So, sleeping space for two without any problems. And another sleeping space can be created here with a lot of cabinet space right up here. And also there is a shower with a shower unit and a drop-down sink. Pretty good. Thetford cassette toilet, and also you can close off the door. And then we have the Dometic fridge and the actual kitchen with two burners and one sink and a lot of drawers from all around the place. So let's measure actual bed. The bed is 1.596 wide, and from the widest part we have a 2-meter wideness. Yep, pretty wide bed for a pickup truck traveler overcab. Not bad.